Measure length. You can get to that tool in your measure tools right here, measure length, or you can go down to your construction toolbar and get the measure length tool here. This one here, all you need to do is simply left click on the line that you need to measure, and it gives you the length of it and also the direction of how that line was placed. So this one here was drawn from the bottom up, since it's 91 point so many degrees. So just left click on your item, left click on your line, and it gives you that length and also that angle. Now for this one here, since it is a shape, if you left click on it, it won't give you a direction because you have separate lines that are contained for that shape, but it will give you the total distance around that particular shape. So it gives you that total length around it. Or like this one right here, it's a line string. If you left click on it, it's basically going to give you the total distance of that line string, but it won't give you a direction, since this line is going this direction, this one here is going this direction, and this one here is going another direction. So that's using the measure length tool. Like I said, left click on your line, and it gives you the length of it and also the direction of it. Now for your direction right here, we see that it's in 91.9353 for your direction. Let's say I don't want it in decimal degree, I want to see it in maybe a bearing format. We can do that, but we need to change it in our design settings. To do that, if you go to your settings pull down, go to coordinate readout. And you have the option here that says degrees, minutes, and seconds. We can change it to that. Also, if we go back to our settings pull down and come in here to our design file, you have the option that says angle readout. And in here, we're going to go ahead and leave it set to degrees, minutes, and seconds. But then underneath our direction mode, let's change that from azimuth to bearing. And go ahead and click on OK. And then if we use our measure tools again, left click on that line, you'll see the length of it plus the direction of that particular line in a bearing format. So that is another option that you can look at if you want to change it from decimal degrees to a bearing format to identify what direction that line was placed at. So that's using the measure length tool.